All right, so I just want to make sure everybody knows what you're doing with regard to finding critical F's on the chart. All right, so I have 5 examples here of degrees of freedom A and degrees of freedom S over A. So for each one of these examples, I want you guys to find the critical F's. So what I'd like you to do at this point is to pause the video, actually pull the critical values chart, find these numbers yourself, and then come back and make sure that you found the same numbers that I did. All right, so I'm going to keep talking, but what I think you should do is pause the video and find them yourself without letting me find them for you. All right, so the first example, degrees of freedom A is 8, degrees of freedom S over A is 12. So the critical F is 2.85. All right, and remember, we are using the 5% significance. All right, our next one, 5 and 10. Degrees of freedom A is 5, degrees of freedom S over A is 10. The critical F is 3.33. 2 and 15, degrees of freedom A of 2, degrees of freedom S over A of 15. The critical F is, I just had it and lost it, 3.68. Degrees of freedom A of 1, degrees of freedom S over A of 13. The critical F is 4.67. And 2 and 99. Okay, so this is one of those examples that is not on the chart. So we have to choose between 2 and 100 or 2 and 80. And even though 99 is way closer to 100 than it is to 80, we always move up the chart. So we're going to go for 2 and 80, which is 3.11.